care of these special people. We are young and healthy, and we should be thankful to God that we are fit in every aspect. Now we are going to learn about how we should take care of old people. Do you have old people in your family? Like your grandfather, your grandmother, and any sick person who is not able to do any work by themselves. These type of people are weak and they need some support. They need someone to feed them. They need some doctor to look after them. We should take up the responsibility to take care of these old people in our families. We should involve them in all decision making going on in the house because they are the head of the family. We should not make noise when they are resting because they have gone old and weak. They need lot of time to rest. We should give them medicines timely. We should celebrate their birthdays and anniversaries to make them happy. Some old people have no one to look after them. They are forced to be kept in old age homes. Many families leave their old parents and go away abroad to earn money. And these old people have no one to look after them, and they take up the decision to go and stay in an old age home. In that old age home, people are taken care by special people over there. They are given timely meals, they are having entertainment time, they are having free time for people to talk to them, and they get everything time to time. And when they people come back, they can go and visit them. But most of the time nowadays in this modern world, people just forget about their parents. As we young children, we should not do this. We should always remember the sacrifice our parents did for us to make us stand on our feet. So children, don't forget to look after them in their old age. They need you at that time. As I have told you about the caring for old people, now I am going to tell you about a special type of children. These are the orphans. Do you know who are called orphans? Those who have no parents. Those who have lost their parents. The parents either die or some mishappening happens to them. And they are kept in orphanages, orphan homes, Anath ashram, what do you say in Hindi? Where these children are kept because they have no parents. The government and some social organizations look after these children. Many people go and donate clothes, toys, food items and many things for these orphan children. Make it a point, children, that you go and celebrate one of your birthday in this orphanage and you see how happy these children feel. We too should go and spend our special days like birthdays, festivals in these orphanages and try to give something to these orphan children. These type of things make them very happy because they have no parents to fulfill their needs. There are some parents, those who do not have children for some reason. They do not have any children at all. So they go to these orphanages to adopt a child, God Lena. They go to these orphanages and take children to their families. They take the responsibility of looking after the child and making the child a family member of theirs. These children, those who are adopted by other parents, those who have no children, they are called adopted children. There are some more different type of people. They have many health issues. A blind person is a person who cannot see. These are special people. Then the deaf man, he cannot hear anything. A handicapped person, he has some defect in any part of the body which does not work properly. Either he has problem in his legs or on his hands. A dumb person, he cannot speak a single word. He talks in a sign language. But if these special people are given special trainings, they can overcome the obstacles in their life and become successful in the chosen field. Deaf and dumb people can read each person's lips, and we should help them by talking to them slowly so that they may be able to catch what we are speaking. Look at this picture of a great personality. He is a French educator, Louis Braille. Braille is a language used by blind people to read and write. For these blind people had written many special books in this Braille script. Deeds raised it is written with the help of 6 raised dots. A blind person can read it by moving his fingers over these raised dots. Blind people use a white cane or trained guide dogs to help them in their daily lives. These dogs help them to move about around the roads and to keep them away from obstacles. I hope all of you have understood how to take care of these special people. Let us be kind enough to show our kindness towards these special people who need our help every day in their lives.